Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we're going to discuss about evolving your creatures on the Coromon game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coromon game and start a new game if you haven't done so already. Once you start your game, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels and you will also be allowed to change your username. Once you have chosen your username, you will be able to start enjoying your game right away. Now, if you have played the Pokemon games before, then you will notice that the Coromon game is exactly the same. So if you wish to evolve any creatures, then you will need to increase their levels. When you tap on the pause button, you will be able to see your squad where you can have up to 6 Coromons. Just tap on any Coromon that you wish to evolve and you will be able to see their level. Once you reach enough level for that particular Coromon, then this Coromon will evolve. And in order to increase these levels, you will need to go through battles with other wild Coromons or trainers. And there you have it. That is how you can evolve your Coromons within the Coromon game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.